Hey fam, welcome back to another kitchen organization video. In today's video, I am tackling 3 of my cabinets. Definitely needed to get some organization done around here. I'm just showing you guys the items that I'm going to be using. I have been eyeing these for a while, so just decided to go ahead and purchase them. Definitely, if you're going to do any type of organization, make sure you're buying what you need and just get a little bit at a time because it can add up when you're trying to organize your home. But just do one little space at a time so you don't get overwhelmed, and also so you don't spend too much money. But before we get more into this video, I want to let you guys know that this is the first of the month collab that I'm having once a month with another set of YouTube mamas, and here they are. Definitely go over there and check out all of their channels. Let them know that I sent you. And if you're new from their channel, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4. And on my channel, I bring you guys things on lifestyle, motherhood, and home. So if you think that's something that you'd be interested in, I definitely love for you guys to stick around and subscribe. We all have similar things on our channels, but still different. So definitely go over there and check out all the ladies. They have great channels. You know, we're just trying to give you guys that motivation that you need while also bringing awareness to all of our channels and the different content that we offer. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights.
Okay, this cabinet is how this looks over here. This usually is there. I'm going to move all of these things around. So basically I'm going to put that bin. These pots are going to go over here, and then these are going to go over there. I think it's going to fit much better and much smoother. So let's
felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together.
So I did start this organization in the nighttime. I just wanted to get it done. So I started off with the 2 cabinets at night so I can just deal with the upper cabinet the next day. And this was definitely a game changer. Could I say I honestly like how everything turned out? And you guys let me know at the end, what do you guys think about what I did?
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do,
Out in here is looking, for the most part, it's clean. I waxed it out not too long ago, but we had a little spill there, so I'm going to clean that up. I didn't move everything out just yet because I don't know if all of these are going to fit on the storage bins that I bought, but this is how it's looking. I'm going to clean it out and then we're going to start stacking them in here. So I thought originally I was only going to be able to do 2 stack, but I'm actually able to do 3. So I'm going to put them like this here and start stacking them that way.
I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do. Like I do, like I do, like I do, like
So I definitely will be buying one more pack of these containers to put up here. And I also took care of that top cabinet, so you guys will see that at the end. And being that we are coming to the end, make sure you definitely head over and check out all the other girls on the playlist that'll be linked below. And I'll definitely see you guys next time. And again, tell me how you like the before, because I'm going to show you a little bit of the before and the after of how everything turned out.
never up, never down, never like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought